I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to transfer funds from Binance to your bank account, follow these steps to make the process smooth and easy. Step 1. Log into your Binance account. Start by logging into your Binance account using your credentials. Make sure you have completed any necessary identity verification to avoid issues later on. Step 2. Navigate to the wallet section. Once logged in, go to the wallet section on the top menu. This is where you can manage your funds and initiate transfers. Step 3. Select Withdraw. In the wallet section, find and click on the Withdraw button. This will allow you to choose the currency you want to transfer. Step 4. Choose your currency and enter amount. Select the currency you wish to withdraw, e.g., USD and enter the amount you want to transfer to your bank. Make sure to check the minimum withdrawal limits. But sure, if you're withdrawing crypto, remember to convert it to fiat first if your bank doesn't accept crypto directly. Step 5. Enter bank details and confirm. Input your bank account details as required, then review all the information before confirming the withdrawal. Double check your bank account number to avoid any errors. That's it. You should receive a confirmation email and the funds will be on their way to your bank account. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to reach out. Happy transferring!